Three, go. Hi, Hallie. I'm here with your cousins, Honey, Shine, Hara, Upsi, Dressler. I just woke up and money. I don't have money. Waping ligo. Yan ang mama ko kung saan isasabot na ako. But I just woke up. Yeah. I haven't had my bath yet. And now we're recording.
I'm wired.
We're recording our greetings for you for your 18th birthday. So here are your cousins, Honey.
Hi, Hallie. Happy birthday. How are you? We miss you so much, and we hope to see you soon. Soon as much as you said we were gonna be married, you know.
What's that?
We love you so much, and happy birthday.
Go.
Hi, Hallie. Happy birthday. And I wish you all the best, and I don't know what to say. And more and more birthdays to come, and God bless you all there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Aloha. Hallie,
Ang iyan
happy
kayo ka.
birthday, and more birthdays to come. Best wishes. That's all.
Talala.
Hi, Ate Hallie. Musta na? Happy birthday.
Very big Drexler already. Very big Drexler. Sige, go.
Thank you.
That's all? Sige pa, mura to. Oh.
Shy.
Tatik-tuyokon pa na to. Oh.
Okay.
Otro, sige. Mura to
Thank you
siya.
so much.
Okay.
So much, Levi.
Bye.
Regards, Levi. Take care.